afternoon, families. I am here to tell you about a website that can help you with selecting great books for your kids to read according to their reading level and to their reading interest, which is one of the biggest questions I get at parent-teacher conferences. This is actually a website called Lexile.com. It's Lexile.com. And it's pretty much just a measurement tool used to measure children's reading ability based on the text's complexity. I know that's a lot of words I just used. What you saw briefly before was a picture of the Lexile level, and pretty much if you're in third grade, the level for third graders is between 620 and 820. And it matches also with their DRA levels that I'll be sharing with you at the parent-teacher conferences. Or if you want them ahead of time because you want to check this site out, that's perfectly fine. The Lexile levels are being used a lot more because of the Common Core standards, and we want kids to read a little bit above their reading level. We feel like that statistically improves their reading. So keep that in mind, and tonight to help us navigate this new site is my son Jake. And right now, if you see behind him, what book are you reading, Jake?
Diary from a Big Kid in the Long Hall.
I know a lot of my students would like to read that.
Jeff Kinney.
By Jeff Kinney. What grade are you in, Jake? Fourth grade. So his reading level's a little different. But what we're going to show you first is when you get to this home page, you can do what's called the quick book search. It'll tell you, right now, for instance, your child's reading a book, and you might think, man, this book is really too easy for them, or this book might be too difficult. You can quickly search in there and see what level it's at. So Jake, why don't you press the search button there? The Long Haul hasn't been uploaded here. Most books have, but where this is a new release, it hasn't been uploaded. But if he scrolls down, you might see some of the Jeff Kinney books that you've read before, Jake, to let me know when you get to it.
This.
The Hard Luck. Okay, stop right there. That's at a 10-20 Lexile level. So that's in the fourth grade level, which is good for Jake. And they're talking about text complexity, which means the vocabulary, understanding what's happening in the story. So you can go ahead and scroll up and we'll show you about becoming a member on this. The next thing you would want to do is register, and you do need an email address for that, so that's why I registered for Jake. But you can add different readers to your registration, so Jake and I are both on this, and I'll be adding Noah as well. So this comes up, you can do fun things like put a photo on it, but it shows what Jake's reading level is. And now he can make reading lists, or he can search for books. So he's going to click on search for books. And this part is called Find a Book, which is so fun. He can either press the blue bar there that says populate range from his profile, which will bring up his Lexile reading level. Or you can go over here and enter your grade, and you can answer the questions, the books I read at school difficult? Are they just right or easy? We've been talking a lot about that. So Jake's going to go ahead and submit. And now, as he scrolls down, he's going to get the option to pick out categories of books that interest him. So I'm going to let maybe do like 3 or 4 of them right now, Jake, and maybe some of the kids will see ones they agree with. That's not a surprise. He likes animals. Take a look to read through all of them. And once you do that, you're going to get books at your Lexile level and books with the kind of theme or genre that really interests you. Maybe one more, Jake? Okay, and why don't you scroll down and hit submit. And it is going to bring up, let me see what time it is right now, sports, of course. It's going to bring up a bunch of books for Jake of books that hit in his reading level, maybe even on the challenging side, that have to do with his interest. Jake, pick one and put the book, press find it for me. Okay, press that. Okay, halfback tough. Now, right there, how easy is this? You can go to Barnes & Noble or Amazon and buy it. And then over on the side, you can also see add to reading list. So next time he needs something, he will be able to find it on his reading list. And on the side, you can say how many pages you want it to be, even pick some different languages, or series, or nonfiction. It's pretty awesome, so we hope you check it out. Thanks for the help, Jake. Say hi, Noah. All right, see you.